Hi, join me in this video as I transform a memorable photograph of my wife taken on her birthday in a cozy Indian restaurant in Lagos, Portugal. We'll turn a jolly photograph into a vibrant and expressive digital drawing using Procreate on iPad. And what I'm trying to do here is to bring out the essence of the moment with every stroke. First sketching with the digital pencil, then adding ink, and finally a splash of colour to create a striking portrait that captures the joy and the warmth of that special day. Let's dive into the creative process together and see how technology and artistry blend to bring memories to life. This is the finished piece made up of 4 layers: pencil, ink, grey shade and colour. The original photograph is quite a typical dinner table shot that most of us take from time to time. Using Procreate's tools, I knocked back the original image so that I'd be able to see the pencil marks. And this is almost a tracing exercise, but all the time, decisions have to be made and shapes established. All the while, striving to conserve the facial expression. It'll take a bit of practice to get used to this, but it's so rewarding when you've got it right. We don't want too much detail though, and it's important to keep moving quickly to retain some vitality in the image. Occasional flashes, by the way, they're just me turning off the photo to check that I'm going all right. I'm not trying to make a picture of the whole scene, I don't have the patience for that. Now it's time to take a leap and lose the original photograph, where the fun begins. I've changed from the pencil tool, started a new layer and switched to the pen. Inking time. At this point, you do have to just plough on because it won't look great just yet. Teeth can look quite odd when you're working on them, but you just have to trust yourself. As you can see, I haven't tried to draw everything. There's still a cartoon air about the picture, which is what I want. Not all cartoons are Disney style after all. This is more in the style of Marvel or DC comics, and it's my wife. Now for a few areas of hatching to get some shape and depth. A new layer now. This one is for some grey shading. Again, we want to give some contour. It's time to add a flash of colour now and to instantly start erasing it from the figure itself, so that the effect is to make the face itself pop. I like to choose colours relevant to the subject too. This is a separate layer behind the ink and the grey shading. Just taking a little extra care here, even though corrections are really simple in Procreate. And there she is, all done. Obviously this was speeded up, but I think it might have taken me an hour to do. If you enjoyed this, give the like button a tap and consider subscribing for more cartoon fun. Want some more? Just click the links.